I am here at Enzybel with a very chirpy Erwin. How are you today?
Very fine, thank you.
Good. So tell me a little bit about Enzybel.
Well, we're in plant-derived and animal-derived enzymes, out-of-nature enzymes, as we say. And we're growing day after day. We have an important expansion in our 5 factories worldwide, 2 in Belgium, 1 in Italy, 1 in China, and 1 in Indonesia. So yeah, we're doing great.
Fantastic. So what kinds of solutions do you provide to problems out there in industry?
Well, our main markets are food and beverage, pharma sector, APIs, and pet food producers. Those are our main markets, and especially over here at the Health Ingredients Fair, we focus on food and beverage solutions with our non-GMO enzymes, with our vegetal enzymes. That's the biggest focus.
So what do these enzymes look like? Are we talking about a powder or a liquid or?
We have both. We have our enzymes in liquid and we have them in powder. And they are both popular. For bromelain and papain, for example, they're both catching up in the market.
Great. So what kinds of clients do you collaborate with in order to expand?
Well, food, in a lot of food applications, for example, in the meat tenderizing, bakery applications, beer brewers, and animal and plant protein processors are our key customers.
And that explains perhaps the pineapples behind me that were quelling my curiosity.
Well, indeed, we refine our enzyme out of these fruits, the figs, the pineapples, and the papaya. And well, it's especially at the Health Ingredients Fair, you see a lot of organic products as well around you, organic pavilions. And well, we match with the trends of today with our plant-derived enzymes.
Fantastic. So it's good to see that you're considering the trends that are out there. How do you think that your clients respond to you in terms of what's popular right now, in terms of those big keywords?
Well, very well. Everybody is looking for out-of-nature solutions. A lot of our customers want to exchange chemicals by more natural products, and there our enzymes as a processing aid have a fantastic perspective.
Fantastic.
So let's say it's kind of easy to sell, to commercialize our enzymes.
Brilliant. Well, Erwin, it's been great to talk to you. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.